behind me is the construction site of دیامیر بھاشا Dam. After the completion of this dam, the installed capacity will be 4,500 megawatt and the annual power generation will be 18.1 billion units.
Where we are standing is the main camp.
All right. Okay.
This main camp will be completed within another 2 to 3 months.
All right.
It is under decoration period.
All right.
Okay. If we are talking about the dam itself,
Okay.
there are a distance of 7.5 kilometers
From here?
upstream.
Okay.
From here, yes.
Okay. And
If
this
we are
is
talking about the distance or the location here, then it
okay.
is around 315 kilometers. From
Okay.
Tabela,
All
downstream,
right.
yes.
Okay.
At the bridge. To be honest, I'm very happy to work with contractor Power China FWO joint venture, which is competent and powerful as the description of its time.
Okay.
As far as I know, construction of divergent tunnel is critical for next coming 3 years.
Okay.
At the preliminary stages, despite multiple facilities, Power China is trying. It's best to keep pushing its progress. Personally, I'm pretty sure that this mega project will be well completed by the contractor.